In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the pricing table, start a free trial, and change style settings. We'll move through this together step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to click so you can get the pricing table up and customize its appearance confidently. Let's begin by locating the search area on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll quickly jump to what you need without browsing through multiple menus. Look toward the right-hand panel for the search field or icon, and make sure your window is wide enough so the panel is visible. In the search field, type the word pricing. Keep it simple, just that keyword. Using a clear, specific term helps the system filter results instantly so you don't have to guess which section to open next. In the results, you should see an item labeled pricing table. That's the one we want. Go ahead and select it. Next, click the button that says open. This will launch the pricing table so you can work with it directly. Depending on your interface, it may open in the main workspace or in a dedicated panel. Give it a moment to appear. You should see the content area update as soon as it loads. Once you can see the pricing table, look for the option to either add it or start a free trial. The exact wording can vary, but the idea is the same. You're enabling the pricing table so you can use and test it. Click that button to proceed. After you've clicked, the system will begin loading. This is normal. You may see a spinner or a brief progress indication. Avoid clicking around or navigating away during this time. The process needs a few moments to complete, and interrupting it can reset your place. When the loading finishes, it's time to tailor the appearance. Click on Settings to change the styles. You'll typically find a gear icon or a clearly labeled settings link associated with the pricing table. Inside the styling options, you can adjust visual elements such as colors, fonts, spacing, and overall layout to match your brand or design guidelines. Make small changes, preview the result, and confirm that text remains readable and prices stand out. If available, check how it looks on different screen sizes to ensure clarity on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy, apply or save your changes so they stick. That's all there is to it. You searched for pricing, opened the pricing table, started a free trial, waited for it to load, and refined the style in settings. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you